ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय द्वितीय ब्राह्मण। So we saw the mantra, चतुर्थ मंत्र, page number 538. We have to see the bhashya now. इमावेव गौतम भारद्वाजौ इमौ इमौ कर्णौ अयमेव गौतमः. This right one he shows and says अयमेव गौतमः अयम भरद्वाजो दक्षिणश्च उत्तरश्च. Then he says viparyena va, or first uttara then dakshina. तथा चक्षुषी उपदिशन उवाच इमावेव विश्वामित्र जमदग्नि. Pointing out at the eyes, चक्षुषी. चक्षुः चक्षुषी चक्षुंषी, right? चक्षुंषी नकार, which sutra? Did you hear online?
उगिरचां सर्वनामस्थाने च धातोः उगिरचां सर्वनामस्थाने च
उगिरचां सर्वनाम.
धातोः
What does it do?
नुमागम.
Where it is for dhatu. धातो हो पठन पठन्तो पठन्त भवन भवन्तो. Here नपुंसकस्य झलच हवे, not the other one. नपुंसकस्य झल. The नपुंसकलिंग शब्द चक्षु चक्षुषी चक्षुंषी. अजंतस्य अंगस्य सर्वनाम स्थाने परे नुम आगम. So this is सर्वनाम स्थान. सर्वनाम. Just and us, both of them are sarvanama for napumsakalinga. What is the sutra to make it sarvanama? She sarvanama sthanam. Anywhere. तथा चक्षुषी उपदिशन उवाच इमावेव विश्वामित्र जमदग्नि. The right eye is Vishwamitra. Dakshinam Vishwamitra. Uttaram Jamadagnihi. Viparyayena va. Otherwise, right is Jamadagni, left is Vishwamitra. Then Imaveva Vashishta Kashyapau Nasike Upadishan Vacha. Imaveva Vashishta Kashyapau. These two are Vashishta and Kashyapa. Nasika Upadishan Vacha. Dakshinaha Putaha is Vashishta. Puto Bhavati Vashishta. Uttaraha Kashyapa. Purvavat or Viparyayana. Tika. Viparyayana va iti etat purvavat iti uchyate. So either way you can take Dakshina Uttara. This is for Upasana. All the rishis I have to see in the Saptasthana, Saptarshi. Now which one is remaining? Vag, Atri Rishi. Vag eva Atrihi. Adana Kriya Yogat Saptamaha. Vag is Atrihi. Why? Because there is Sambandha with Adana Kriya. Adana Kriya means Ati. Ati is Atri in this way. Tika Atrihi Saptama iti Sambandha. Atrihi Saptamaha iti Sambandha. Atritve Hetuhu Adana Kriya Yogat iti. In the Atritva, the Hetu is Adana Kriya Yogat. Hetum sadhayati. Vacha hi annam adyate. Hetu Siddhi is doing Vacha hi annam adyate. Vacha means you have to understand Rasanendriyana. Huh? Vacha is this. Vagindriya Vyavahar is different. Annam adyate. Sadhyam artham nigamayati. So what is the conclusion now? Tasmat Attir havai prasiddham nama etad atritvat attihi iti. Attir havai prasiddham nama attihi etad atritvat attihi. Because he is atta atritvat attihi. So question is, tarhi katham atrihi iti vyapadishyate. So you are saying it is atti, then why you are giving upadesha as atri? Tarhi katham atrihi iti vyapadishyate. Ataha attireva san yad atrihi iti uchyate parokshena. Because paroksha priya ivahi devaha. Devatas like paroksha nama. They want to remain hidden. Those who want more publicity means he is not devata. A Brahma wants to remain even more hidden. Devatas like parokshatvam. Brahma totally. Unless there is Paurushaya Pramana, Brahma says, I will not reveal myself. Parokshena sarvasya etasya annajatasya pranasya atri nirvachana vijnanat atta bhavati. Parokshena sarvasya etasya annajatasya. The entire anna samuha means samashti prapancha is all annam only. Annajatasya pranasya atri nirvachana vijnanat atta bhavati. So everything is annam for prana. Why? Because prana doesn't actually is behind only rasanendriya. Prana is behind all indriyas. So everything becomes annam. That is vyapak artha. If you want to use limited artha, then just use what is adyate. प्राणस्य अत्रि निर्वचन विज्ञानात् अत्ता भवति. So prana, टीका, प्राणस्य यद अन्न जातम एतस्य सर्वस्य अत्ता भवति अत्रि निर्वचन विज्ञानात् इति संबंध. प्राणस्य अत्ता भवति. What is prana? यद अन्न जातम एतस्य सर्वस्य प्राणस्य. All these, its atta will become this atri. So the anna samudaya belongs to prana. That is how in Hindi it is given. प्राण का जो अन्न समुदाय है, अत्रि इस निर्वचन के विज्ञान से उन सबका अत्ता होता है. Atri becomes atta of this entire anna samudaya which belongs to prana. Continuing in टीका, सर्वम अस्य इत्यादि वाक्यम अर्थोक्ति पूर्वकम प्रकटयति. Now you said sarvam. In the mantra it is given like that. Sarvam asya annam bhavati ya evam veda. This is upasana phalam. So Bhashya says, atta eva bhavati na amushmin annena punah pratipadyate iti etad uktam bhavati sarvam asya annam bhavati iti. He becomes atta alone. Atta eva bhavati na annam. This is mukhya vakya. He will be only atta, he will never become annam. Means he will always be the consumer, he will not get consumed. Na amushmin annena punah pratipadyate. Amushmin. See 7 number tippani. Atta eva iti. Upasako. This upasaka asau amushmin paratra, because this is upasana phalam. This sarvam asya annam bhavati is upasana phalam. So for that, upasako asau amushmin paratra means param prati punah annena kadachana na pratipadyate. This upasaka will not be consumed by others. He will be the consumer. Kadachana na pratipadyate. Adyatvena. Does it say adya or adya? In your adya. I have correction. Adyatvena na prapyate. I will check and let you know. Leave it as is for now. उपासितुः यद भोज्यम तस्य तम प्रति न भोक्तृत्वम किंतु भोग्यत्वम एव इति यावत्. उपासितुः यद भोज्यम अन्नम, whatever anna is there, it will not become bhokta, it will be bhogya only. And this upasaka will remain bhokta. Amushmin iti asya paraloka iti vartha. Or paraloka, because what is given there, na amushmin annena punaha. So hereafter also he will remain bhokta in paraloka. Upasana phalam, when it is glorified, then person will be inclined to do upasana. When that person does upasana with sakama bhava, whatever result is given, phala prapti they will have. When a person does with nishkama bhava, then that person will get chitta shuddhi, chitta ekagrata. Nishkama bhava means you don't ask for any phala. Whatever Paramatma wants to give, means Paramatma wants that I become free from this bandhana. अन्येन पुनः प्रतिपद्यते इति एतद् उक्तं भवति सर्वम् अस्य अन्नं भवति इति। टीका न केवलम् अत्रि निर्वचन विज्ञान कृतम् एतत् फलं किन्तु प्राण याथात्म्य वेदन प्रयुक्तम् इत्याह। केवलम् अत्रि निर्वचन विज्ञान कृतम् एतत् फलं न, दिस फलम इज नॉट अत्रि निर्वचन विज्ञान कृतम् बट प्राण याथात्म्य वेदन प्रयुक्तम्. It tells you prana yathatmya. Means this is the nature of prana as such. This is not just because atri shabda we wanted to define, we are defining. It is prana has the dharma of atta in this way. So vag indriya will become atri. Prana has all annam. Vag indriya is atri. How is they said? This is Vishwamitra. No, this is Vishwamitra, this is Jamajagni, Gautama, Bharadwaja, Kashyapa, Vasishtha. Like that, the Rasanendriya is Atri. So it is Prana Yathatmya Vedana Prayuktam. Ityaha ya evam etad yathoktam Prana Yathatmyam Veda. The one who knows this Yathoktam Prana Yathatmyam Veda, sa evam Madhyamaha Prano. किंतु प्राण याथात्म्य वेदन प्रयुक्तम विज्ञान कृतम एतत् फलम फलम य एवं एतद् यथोक्तम प्राण याथात्म्यम वेद स एवं मध्यमः प्राणो भूत्वा आधान प्रत्याधान गतो भोक्तैव भवति न भोज्यम भोज्यात् व्यावर्तते इत्यर्थः. आधान प्रत्याधान गतो भोक्ता. So he is bhokta in that adhana, sharira, pratyadhana, shira, etc. Bhoktaiva bhavati. Na bhojyam. Bhojyad vyavartate. He is separated distinctly from bhojya vastu as bhokta. So, what is the objective? In simple way, if we understand. I understand I am bhokta. So here it is a prana is bhokta. So just this much upasana will help me think that I am not bhokta, prana is bhokta. In those who take Yajnopavit and then they have to chant certain mantras, right? So, Kama Akarshit, Manyu Akarshit, those mantras are there. So, who is committing, who did this? काम अकार्षि, नाहम अकार्षि, मनु अकार्षि, मनु means krodha. Kama did this, krodha did this. In this way, so it is not that I didn't do it is not that way. The objective is to separate yourself from manovrittis, separate yourself from prana. When you do that, that is how the prayaschitta is done. It is there in prayaschitta. With this kama in there. So as part of that, these mantras, they prepare you. Upasana is also for that purpose. Those who do Gayatri, Sandhya Vandanam, there also one upasana is Yosa Vasau Brahma Brahmaivaham Asmi. In this way it is done. It is there in part of Sandhya Vandanam. So there also I am Brahman. That child who is doing Sandhya Vandanam from the age of 8 or 10 or 11, from there he doesn't know what he is reciting. But these good sanskaras are given. So then when he studies Veda properly, understands the meaning, then he will know. So this is the whole objective of Sanatana Dharma. That first you do certain things without knowing. They will just say you chant this mantra, chant this shloka, chant these Vedas. And you will not know anything. Then slowly you will learn. Okay, with this, Dvitiya Adhyaya, Dvitiya Brahmana is over. Now Dvitiya Adhyaya, Tritiya Brahmana. This is also commentary on Ajatashatru Brahmana. Okay. इसमें भोक्तारम यज्ञ तपसाम सर्वलोक महेश्वर. So once you come in Vedanta, then it is different. Until you are in only Upasana, then you think this way. Then when you come to Vedanta, then you understand who is Bhokta. Only Chaitanya can be Bhokta. Jada cannot be Bhokta. So Prana, Manovritti, they are all Jada. So you separate Jada from Chaitanya. Then you question, how can Shuddha Chaitanya be Bhokta? So then you understand Adhyasa is there. Then you say Adhyasa is the Karanam for all Bandhana. Which page? Tarhi. Not Tarhim. Tarhi. Second line in Tika, Anuswara is not needed. Okay, so now see the next Brahmana. This you are familiar with. Tika. Tatra prana vai satyam. Bhashya. First he says, Tika sambandham vaktum vrittam kirtayati. Sambandham vaktum. To show the sambandha between Purva Adhyaya and this Adhyaya. Purva Brahmana and this Brahmana. Purva Brahmana's name was what? Shishu Brahmana. Not Ajatashatru. Shishu Brahmana. This Brahmana is Murta Murta Brahmana. So sambandha between Shishu Brahmana and Murta Murta Brahmana he shows. Sambandha vaktum vrittam kirtayati. Actually, sambandha will be with Ajatashatru Brahmana. Why? Because second and third Brahmana are commentary on first one. Tatra prana vai satyam iti uktam. Prana vai satyam iti uktam kutra Ajatashatru Brahmana vasanam saptamyartha. Saptamyartha means tatra. That was said in Ajatashatru Brahmana at the end, avasanam. So tatra prana vai satyam iti uktam. Yaha prananam upanishadah ta brahmopanishad प्रसंगेन व्याख्याता एते ते प्राणा इति च। या प्राणानाम उपनिषद, that which is the रहस्य उपनिषद प्राणानाम षष्ठी, ता ब्रह्मोपनिषद प्रसंगेन व्याख्याता. So they are explained here as Brahma Upanishad. Brahma Upanishad means Satyasya Satyam, this way. That is Brahma. Ete te prana iti cha. Tika. Upanishadah Rudradi Abhidhanani. What is the Upanishad? So these Rudra, Aditya, Parjanya, etc. were talked about in the eyes. Those. They are all Rahasya because they were not known. Upanishad. Chakarat Uktam iti Anushangaha. उत्तर ब्राह्मण तात्पर्यम आह. उत्तर ब्राह्मणे तात्पर्यम तृतीय ब्राह्मण ते किमात्मकाः कथं वा तेषां सत्यत्वम् इति च वक्तव्यम्. ते किमात्मकाः, व्हाट इज देयर नेचर, कथं वा तेषां सत्यत्वम् एंड हाउ इज देयर सत्यत्वम् इति च वक्तव्यम्. इति पंचभूतानां सत्यानां कार्यकरणात्मकानां स्वरूप अवधारणार्थम इदं ब्राह्मणम. पंचभूतानां सत्यानां कार्यकरणात्मकानां, दिस पंच महाभूतात्मक which is vyavaharic satya, which is nothing but nama rupa, it was said, which is nothing but karya karana. All this is karya karana. Karya means sthula, karana means sukshma. Their swarupa avadharana, what is their actual swarupa? See 4 number tippani, only little bit we will read. ते किमात्मकाः कथं वा तेषां सत्यत्वम्. What is their nature? How they have satyatvam? So te chetanaः स्युः अचेतना वा. This question, like Kenopanishad, this is the question actually. Kene shitam padati preshitam mana means manah by itself is chaitanya or mana is jada and some other chaitanya is there because of which mind is functioning. Then chakshuhu, shrotram, vak, they all, are they functioning on their own or some other chaitanya is needed to separate atma from anatma or drashta from drishya? This viveka is like very essential, and this we have to do all the time. Separating the anatma prapancha from myself. Whether you do avasthatraya, that avasthatraya prapancha is not me. Because we get carried away by all this. Vyavahara, and the separation doesn't remain. Then in that, whatever sadhana we do is within adhyas only. That sadhana, jnana sadhana is separate. Jnana sadhana says you first do tvam-pada vichara. And that tvam-pada vichara is this only, repeatedly emphasizing ghatasya drashta ghatad bhinnaha, dehasya drashta dehad bhinnaha, indriyani drishyam. Like that, I have to separate myself from all this. Yatra yatra sagunatvam tatra tatra mithyatvam. There where there is guna, all of them is vikari, is mithya. So this, te chetanaः स्युः अचेतना वा. द्वितीये कारणात्मनो विकारा वा न वा. Or are they vikara of karana atma or not? न तावत् चेतना अनात्मवाद नापि कारणात्मनो जन्म श्रुतेः. And vikaratve vacharammanatvad na satya. So these all, what is said is prana vai satyam, all these indriyani, they all are achetana, they are vacharambana, etc. Once that is clear, then I have to know then what is the truth behind this. Otherwise, life just goes on. You study something, then we forget. स्वरूप अवधारणार्थम इदम ब्राह्मणम आरभ्यते. ब्राह्मणम 8 नंबर टिप्पणी. ब्राह्मण एक देश भूतम. The Swarupa Avadharanam is not the whole Brahmana. Swarupa Avadharanam will come only when Athata Adesho Neti Neti. That first time it will come now. Athata Adesho Neti Neti. In this. So that is the Mukhya Swarupa Avadharanam. Tika. Brahmano Nirdharaniyatvat Kimiti Bhutanam Satatvam Nirdharyate. Something. There was one correction I forgot. Page number 537. Tika, first line, last word. Spashtamiti ashankya samadhatte. Another takara. Did I give you earlier or no?
No, Swamiji.
So make it dhatte dadhate dadate, I think. Dhatte dadhate dadhate or dadate. Dadhate. Okay, continue back to where we were. Kimiti bhutanam satatvam nirdharyate tatra. Purva Pakshi is asking, you should be discussing the nature of Brahman. Why you have to do bhutanam satatvam nirdharanam? Why are we discussing what is the essence of Pancha Mahabhuta? Kimiti bhutanam satatvam nirdharyate tatraha यद उपाधि विशेष अपनय द्वारेण नेति नेति इति ब्रह्मणः सतत्वं निर्दिधारयिषितम्. उपाधि विशेष अपनय द्वारेण. By see यद उपाधि टिप्पणी नंबर 1 येषाम उपाधि विशेष रूपाणाम इति. उपाधि विशेष रूपाणाम अपनय द्वारेण. So upadhi vishesha rupa is to be eliminated. Apane dvarena neti neti iti brahmanaha satatvam nirdidharayishita. By neti neti brahmanaha satatvam, what is the essence of Brahma? That is being shown. Nirdidharayishitam. Nirdidharayisha means निर्धारयितुम इच्छा. निर्धारयितुम इच्छा. And निर्दिधारयिषितम is निष्ठा प्रत्यय. Nirdidharayishita means whose nirdharanam is done. So by neti neti, what we are doing is upadhi apanaya. By Upadi Apanaya, nature of Brahman will be established. So that's why this vichara is not different. टीका तेषाम उपाधि भूतानां स्वरूप अवधारणार्थम ब्राह्मणम इति संबंध. सो उपाधि भूतानां स्वरूप अवधारणार्थम ब्राह्मणम. नाउ further see bhashya. टीका सत्यस्य सत्यम इति अत्र षष्ठ्यंत सत्य शब्दितम हेयम प्रथमांत सत्य शब्दितम आदेयम. सत्यस्य सत्यम इट इज सेड. षष्ठ्यंत सत्य शब्द is satyasya shabda, that is heyam, because that is talking about this nama rupatmaka karya karanatmaka prapancha. Heyam. In this heyam, vairagya is hidden. To do heya, I need vairagya. If we say heyam, it is so simple. And Prathamanta Satya Shabditam Adeyam. Prathamanta Satya Shabdita is Satyam, Satyasya Satyam. That Satyam is Adeyam. That Adeyatva means Mumukshutva. That intense longing only for Satya and intense Vairagya for Satyasya in this way. तयोर आद्य स्वरूपो स्वरूप उक्त्यर्थम अथ इति अतः प्राक्तनं वाक्यं तद ऊर्ध्वं आ ब्राह्मण समाप्तेः आदेय निरूपणार्थम इति समुदायार्थः. तयोः आद्य स्वरूप उक्त्यर्थम of these two, the adya swarupa means the here, what is the swarupa of that? इति अतः प्राक्तनं वाक्यम. अथ इति अतः प्राक्तन वाक्यम. So this अथ, हाँ, अथ मीन्स अथात आदेशो नेति नेति, दैट अथ. 15 number they have given athata. You remember athata adesho neti. इति अतः प्राक्तनं वाक्यं तद ऊर्ध्वं आ ब्राह्मण समाप्तेः, until the conclusion of this brahmana आदेय निरूपणार्थम. What is to be grasped, what is to be taken, आदेय for its nirupanartham. Iti samudayartha. This is the collective meaning of all this. Means finally after athata adesho neti neti, what remains is adeya. And by neti neti, what goes is heya. Savishesham eva brahma, na nirvishesham iti kechit. Some people say brahma is only savishesha. There is no nirvishesha. तान निराकर्तुम विभजते. Their निराकरणम is done. तत्र द्विरूपम ब्रह्म पंचभूत जनित कार्यकरण संबद्धम मूर्तामूर्ताख्यम मर्त्य अमृत स्वभावम तज्जनित वासना रूपम च सर्वज्ञं सर्वशक्ति सोपाख्यम भवति. द्विरूपम ब्रह्म. One is panchabhuta janita karya karana sambaddham, that which is born from this panchamahabhutatmaka karya karana sambaddham, associated with that murta murtakhyam, martya and amrita swabhavam, that which is anitya and that which is relatively nitya, apekshika nitya, that. And tad janita vasana rupam cha, now you have some identification. So sukshma, all of that is also included. This is savishesha brahma issues. वासना रूपम च सर्वज्ञम सर्वशक्ति सोपाख्यम भवति. Kechit say there is only savishesha. So our Siddhanti here says Brahma is of two types. Then one he will negate. Kriya karaka phalatmakam cha. Sarva vyavahara aspadam. And that which is kriya karaka phalatmakam, sarva vyavahara aspadam means ashraya. That which is the ashraya of all vyavahara. Okay, let's keep up to here. Just see one line in Tika. Brahmanarthe purvoktaritya sthite sati iti yavat. Brahmanarthe पूर्वोक्तरीत्या स्थिते. ब्राह्मण अर्थ अजात शत्रु ब्राह्मण, हाउ इज दैट अर्थ इज स्थिते. तत्र मीन्स ब्राह्मणार्थे पूर्वोक्तरीत्या स्थिते सती द्विरूपम ब्रह्म. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू रीड द सेंटेंस. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.